Apple just fixed the biggest problem with iPhone-to-Android text. Apple Inc. is finally improving texting between iPhones and Android devices, with encrypted RCS messaging in iOS 26.5, addressing one of the biggest privacy gaps in cross-platform communication. For years, iPhone-to-Android texting lacked the protections available through iMessage. While Apple adopted RCS in 2024 to improve messaging between the two ecosystems, encryption was still missing. Now Apple has officially started rolling out end-to-end encrypted RCS chats inside the Messages app. This means Apple, Google, and carriers cannot read messages while they are being sent. Users will see a lock icon and an encrypted label in supported chats, though Android users need the latest version of Google Messages for compatibility. Apple also confirmed encryption will gradually activate for both new and existing RCS conversations. Alongside security upgrades, RCS already introduced features like typing indicators, read receipts, improved group chats, emoji reactions, and higher quality media sharing between iPhones and Android devices. Despite the improvements, Apple is still maintaining the divide between iMessage and Android text. Messages sent to Android users will continue appearing as green bubbles instead of blue iMessages. The company also continues presenting iMessage as the more premium messaging experience within the Apple ecosystem. For years, the green bubble versus blue bubble debate was more than an internet joke because cross-platform conversations lacked modern encryption protections. Even after RCS arrived, conversations between iPhone and Android users still did not match the privacy standards offered by apps like WhatsApp and Signal. With encrypted RCS now rolling out, that gap is finally being reduced. The update also adds new wallpapers and updates across iPadOS, macOS Tahoe, watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS. Apple is additionally introducing a new ad system inside Apple Maps that may display local ads based on approximate location, searches, and viewed map areas. According to the company, the advertising data is not linked to Apple accounts,